So one of the most common questions I get on this channel is, Sam, how do I get traffic going towards a brand new digital product without showing my face or using my voice? And to be honest, there is a couple different options that you can use, but one of the most effective is going to be to start some sort of a faceless YouTube channel. Most of you probably watch faceless channels all the time, but you probably didn't realize that many of these channels are actually publishing content with the intention to drive traffic to a digital product. And because YouTube is the second largest website in the entire world, millions and billions of people go onto it for both entertainment and education. So if you're able to create content that meets either one of these needs, you can put yourself in a position to use your faceless channel as a traffic source to attract potential customers. And in today's video, what I want to do is show you 5 real examples of faceless YouTube channels that exist where they're not showing their face, they're not using their voice, they haven't bought any sort of camera equipment. And I also want to break down the different digital products that they're selling so that by the end of this video, you're going to have an understanding of exactly how all of this works so that you can maybe do it yourself. Let's go. So we're going to jump straight into YouTube, and I want to start off with one of the first types of digital products and the example channel that I'm going to show you, which is going to be digital planners. So as you guys know, when it comes to the world of digital products, there's countless different ones out there. And I want to try and show you different examples of different products using different YouTube channels throughout this video. But the first one that we're going to start off with is a digital planner. So what I'm going to do is just jump onto YouTube just like this and just type it in and click on enter. And straight away, you're going to notice that, of course, there's going to be channels where people are going to be showing their face. There's going to be channels where no one's showing their face as well. So if I just click into a random one, let me click into this one over here. Now this one's actually quite interesting because I would say 90% of the videos on their channel are completely faceless. What they're doing is showing the different digital planners on the tablet, and they're essentially recording the screen and just showing how it works. But of course, there's going to be an odd video maybe in the past that they made where they was on camera. And the point of why I'm showing you this is because if you've already started a channel where maybe you're showing your face and you don't want to do so anymore, you can always completely switch over to a faceless channel, and vice versa. If you haven't started a channel yet and you're thinking about maybe showing your face sometimes, maybe you don't want to show your face, you can also go that route as well. So yeah, this is an example of a video on this particular channel, and I would say that this isn't your standard type of faceless video. Most of you right now are probably thinking, Sam, I want to make faceless videos where I don't even need to record anything at all. Now I'm only showing you this one just to kind of give you some variety as to how you can produce your videos. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you some example channels that are selling digital products where you don't even need to record anything at all. But the reason why I thought I would show this one to you is because what they're doing is demonstrating how their digital planner works. Very simple, very demonstrational. If I just scroll down to the description, as you can see, they've got all of these different links. And if I just click into this link, what it's going to do is that it's going to take me directly to the product page where they've got all of their different digital planners available. And I've used this store as an example on my channel before because they're doing really well when selling all of their different products. And the reason why I know that is because if I just click into their URL link, let me just copy it and then make my way over to Digital Maker AI. With this tool, I can use the competitor analyzer feature on the left hand side, and I'm just going to paste the URL in there and then click on analyze. What's going to happen is that it's going to come back with all of this information just to let us know exactly how this store is performing. So straight away we can see that they're getting a decent amount of traffic. They've listed a decent amount of products, and because of that, the estimated revenue is also looking good on a monthly basis. And of course, their faceless channel is just one of the ways that they're trying to get traffic. They're also ranking in Google as well, so you can see all of the keywords that they're ranking for. And you can also see the daily average in terms of the revenue by using this chart over here. So yeah, this is definitely helpful. This lets me know if a store is doing well, if it's worth potentially replicating them or not. So don't forget, if you want to check out Digital Maker AI for completely free down below so that you can also spy on your competition, I'm going to leave it linked down below. It should be the top, maybe second link in the description. But let's move on to one of these second types of faceless channels that people are running right now that's helping them sell a low ticket digital product. In this case, it's going to be to help them sell an ebook. I'm just going to go over to the channel. So this is the channel that you can see on the screen. As you can see, these are the type of videos that they're posting. Now this one is completely faceless. There's no human that appears in the video whatsoever. And they're also using an AI generated voice as well. Now they're doing really good because the engagement is really high. The views, the comments, the likes, so on and so forth. And this is because they've been really consistent. This channel is all about discipline, motivation, and things like that. But if I just click into a random video on their channel, let's click on this one. Just to kind of give you an insight into how the video looks, I'm just going to go to a random part on the screen. So it's all of these different images. Sometimes they put different videos, but it's a very simple video to make. And I've got another video coming out real soon as to how you can make a faceless video using images just like this and how you can piece it together using AI as well as an AI voiceover. But if I just scroll down over here to the top comment, the pinned comment, we can see that they've got these two different links, and the two different links will lead you to an ebook that they're selling. So right here, we can see that this is the sales page. If I just scroll down, this is the ebook right here. So it's a very simple landing page. They've got the information about the book. They've also got the testimonials, and right here, they've got the checkout page where people can purchase it. And the thing that I like about digital products is that they're not really difficult to make as long as you know how to do it in the most effective way. Once you've got the traffic dialed in, you're consistent, you know exactly what type of content you're making, being able to produce digital products that you can now sell on your channel is not going to be difficult once you know how everything works. And what I mean by that is if I just jump back onto Digital Maker AI, we've got this new feature called Product Maker, where you can basically use it to generate an ebook within a matter of seconds. The way this works is that it's just going to ask you a couple different questions as to what type of ebook you want to build. So in this case, I'm going to say that I want to make an ebook to help people grow on YouTube. So let's assume that I've got a faceless channel where I help people grow their YouTube channel, and I wanted to make an ebook for me to list on that channel. I'm going to be able to use this tool simply by entering in the title just like this, then letting it know exactly what the book is going to be about so that it can write the best content possible. From there, I just need to select the amount of chapters that's going to go into the ebook. The color scheme, I'm going to go with this one. The author name, I'm just going to put Success with Sam. I'm going to say that I want it to be creative and storytelling. And just like that, as you can see, Digital Maker AI has now gone straight to work to start writing out this entire ebook from start to finish. Okay, perfect. So that didn't take long whatsoever, but right here, as you can see, the ebook is now ready. So all I need to do is just click on download, and I'm going to be able to get the full PDF document. But let's move on to the next faceless channel that is selling digital products. In this case, what they're selling is Notion templates. So this is the channel that you can see on the screen. They've been able to grow to a decent level as well without having to show their face. So if I just click into videos, let's take a look. Okay, so they're being somewhat consistent. As you can see, these are the type of videos they're producing based on the thumbnails and the titles. And the thing that's interesting about this particular channel and this niche is that they've essentially tapped into a popular trending topic, at least for the past year or two. Because basically what they are selling is a digital product to help people with Notion. Now, I'm not a big Notion user myself, but I definitely know that it's a type of digital product that a lot of people are seeing success from. So if I just click into their most recent video, straight away we can see at the top of the description, they've got all of these different links. It's going to take you directly to a Gumroad landing page where they've got this Notion template. And as I mentioned, Notion right now is popular. If we just go over to Google Trends, I'm just going to type in Notion template in there just like that and then click on explore. And yeah, just as I assumed, ever since 2020 worldwide, we can see more and more people have gone onto Google to search for Notion templates, and the amount of searches has been consistent over the past 6 years. So the point of what I'm trying to say right now is that if you are looking to build some sort of a digital product, it will be good for you to maybe tap into something that's trending, that's popular, or at least do a basic Google Trend search like this to see if it's something that people actually care about. But let's move on to the next type of digital product that's being sold on faceless channels, which is a very popular one, which is a video info product. So this is the channel that you can see on the screen. It's called Bible Chronicles Animation. They upload all of these different animated faceless videos all about Bible stories by the looks of it. So if I just click into one of their more popular videos, let me just click into a random one. So here we go. This is an example of their video, and straight away we can definitely see that it's a higher level faceless video. This isn't something that's going to be easy to do overnight. You know, it's going to take some sort of effort when it comes to producing these type of videos, but once you figure it out, from there everything becomes easy. But what's really interesting about this channel is that the way that they're able to monetize from it is, of course, through Google AdSense, which is something that any faceless channel is going to be able to do. But if we just click into one of the links in their description, what they're doing is offering this info product that is teaching people how they can also make animated videos just like this. So this is a unique angle to take because they're uploading religious type videos, and you would assume that they would offer some sort of religious type digital product, but they're doing the complete opposite, and they're basically just teaching people how to do what they're doing. And this is something that makes complete sense. I recently released a brand new step-by-step guide showing people how they can build an info product, what they need to do to get it listed, get it sold, get traffic to it, use meta ads to get awareness to it as well. That's going to be in the second link in my description. I believe info products is definitely a good way to go, even if you're a complete beginner and you're looking to get into the world of digital products. I believe that everyone has some sort of knowledge that they can teach someone, and once you figure that out and you know exactly how to package it in the right way, you're going to put yourself in a great position to be able to start your faceless channel, be able to start publishing faceless videos on even Instagram, and then drive traffic directly to your info product and provide value not to yourself but also to the end user. But let's move on to one of the next faceless channels, which is this one. Very simple one, very low key one. And what they're basically doing is publishing videos on a regular basis to help people understand how they can use Google Sheets as well as Excel spreadsheets more effectively. So right here, this video always stands out to me because of the amount of traction that it was able to get. Almost 500,000 views, 1 million or 500,000 views, sorry, in around the year. And all they're doing is showing how their Excel or Google Sheet template works. And if I just click into the video, what they've done instantly is they've promoted their product landing page. So we can see that it's a Shopify store. The person is talking over it. They're showing the actual landing page as well. And then they get straight into the content. So yeah, as you can see, there's no one on screen. They're basically showing this Excel spreadsheet, showing how it works. Also showing how someone can build their own. But if we just scroll down over here, they've got direct links to the digital products that they're selling. And of course, they've got a link at the top of the description as well. So here we go. This is an example of the types of templates that they're selling. This is a bundle. This is the amount that they're selling it for. This is the product page, as you can see on the screen. Again, very simple Shopify store that anyone can build. And for those of you that didn't know, if you're looking to build a website in the cheapest way and you also want it to be customized to the type of digital product that you're looking to sell, one way that you can do that is by using the website maker in Digital Maker AI. So if you click into it, you're going to see a couple different stages that you need to go through. Don't worry, it's not going to take any longer than 30 seconds, but it's going to ask you what type of product are you selling. So let's say if I was someone that was looking to sell a similar product to this store, what I may want to do is click into spreadsheets, and I'm just going to enter this name for the store. In terms of the audience, I'm just going to put this as the audience, and for the color scheme, let's just go with this one. And the way that this website maker works is that it's directly connected to the Shopify platform, which means that when you go through all of this, again, you're going to get a custom store built. And the good thing about it is that you only need to pay $1. You don't need to pay the regular $129 that you would need to pay. And it doesn't come with any limitations as well. You just need to click on sign up to Shopify, insert your email address, go through the entire process of selecting the basic plan, as well as making that $1 payment. And at the end of it, you're going to see that you're going to get access to a custom built store. But yeah, guys, that's the basic idea as to how a faceless channel works. I gave you all of those different options that you can choose from depending on what type of style you want to move forward with, and also depending on what type of products you want to sell. But for those of you that are thinking about, Sam, how exactly can we start the process of building out our faceless channel in the most simplistic way possible? So again, there's different methods and ways that you can do it, but one of the most simplistic is to start a faceless channel where there's going to be overlays, and then using AI to do the voiceover as well as the script generation. And to do this, there's a couple different tools that you can use. For example, you can use Notebook LM to kind of guide you through the process if you're a complete beginner. So Notebook LM is owned by Google. Google owns YouTube. So by tapping into the power of Notebook LM, you can essentially use it to figure out exactly which direction to take for the channel that you're thinking about building up. So to show you exactly how this works, what you need to do is first and foremost get a custom prompt that you're going to paste into Notebook LM. So with this, I'm just going to go back over to Digital Maker AI. I'm going to click into the prompt maker. I'm then going to click into Notebook LM, and on this page where it says, what am I trying to do? I'm just going to click on FACELESS YouTube channel. I'm then going to go through all of the different questions to tell it exactly what type of channel I'm thinking about building up so that it can give me the best prompt possible so that Notebook LM knows exactly what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to tell it that I've got this type of idea for the channel that I'm looking to do. I'm going to say that I don't have any names for it right now so that Notebook LM can recommend some. And I'm going to select that I'm thinking about publishing videos 3 to 5 times per week. And what it should then do is come back with a custom prompt that I'm going to be able to copy, go back over to Notebook LM and paste it in there just like this. And what's going to happen from this point is that Notebook LM is going to come back with some questions. I'm going to give it some answers. It's probably going to be around 10 different questions. And the reason why this is a good practice to follow is because, again, Notebook LM is directly connected to Google's database. So the different questions that it's going to ask you if you're a complete beginner is going to give you some insight into exactly how you should structure your channel. It's going to come back with questions like, what is the name of your channel? What type of logo do you want? What would you want your first video to be? How exactly would you want the thumbnail to look? It's even going to come back with some actionable items that you can follow for the different digital products that you can sell for your chosen niche. So with me, it's come back with all of these different ideas. And once I tell it exactly what I want to do, it's now going to include it in the final blueprint. But yeah, at the end of it, you're going to get that custom blueprint, and you're also going to get a full script that you can now use as the foundation of your FACELESS video. You can go over to tools like 11 Labs if you want to use any one of their different AI voices. They've got so many different ones to choose from. But if you just want to test things out, you can go directly onto Canva. Canva is going to be the platform that you're going to use to generate the final version of the video, but they've also got different AI voices that you can choose from as well. So literally, it's just going to be a case of just copying the script from Notebook LM, pasting it directly into Canva, generating that AI voice, and then using any one of their thousands or millions, maybe not millions, they've probably got hundreds of thousands of different stock overlays that you can choose from when it comes to being able to produce the FACELESS video. So yeah, being able to run a FACELESS channel isn't a difficult thing. It just comes down to starting, knowing exactly how to start. This is something else Notebook LM can help you with as well. You just need to go onto YouTube, say that you want to start a new channel, click onto YouTube Studio. From there, it's going to ask you for your channel name. You can get this, of course, from Notebook LM. When it comes to the actual profile image, you can go back onto Digital Maker AI, click into the image maker. You can click on logo, go through all of the questions, get a profile image for your FACELESS channel and just upload it. In the world that we're living in right now, it's not really difficult to do this because of all of the resources that we have available. It just comes down to taking action, being consistent, and of course, believing in yourself. But if you wanted me to make another video where I go through step by step, everything you need to know from start to finish, to coming up with an idea for your channel, generating the digital product, and being able to publish your video on your channel, it's probably going to be a 1-hour video. Comment down below, do the FACELESS digital product video as well as your specific location, and I'll be sure to make that video ASAP if I see that many of you want it. If you've liked this video, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I show you some other interesting ways that people are monetizing from digital products, click the link on the screen right now. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has already helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it can also help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.